I have been waiting for this moment from last few weeks and I can't wait to share it with you. This might change everything for you. But before I share, let me take a moment to say this first. Thank you very much for your support throughout the journey as I have reached 1K members. It took me approximately 13 months, but I never expected this to happen. I started this channel with one goal, to share my experience and learning with you. I still remember when I first started this channel on September 8, 2023, and 3 days later I got my first subscriber. And today, while recording this video, I have more than 1000 members. So thank you again for your support throughout the journey. And now it's time to shift gear. Finally, it's time to say this. Today is October 15, 2024, and the year is almost over. We are in quarter 4 of this year. If you are ready to end this year on a high note and want to make 2025 your best year yet, then stay tuned. This video is exactly for you. You need to make a commitment to yourself. And if you are ready to do this, something big is going to happen. In just a minute, I will share what agreement you can make to yourself and how you can make it. But before that, let me share this personal thing with you. I made the same agreement with myself back in 2006 when I completed my master's in computer application. And at that time, I was struggling to find a job. And I wrote this agreement on a paper and started reading it every single day. It helped me a lot, and eventually I ended up working with the United Nations, NHS, ICAR and many other prestigious companies. Success will not come overnight, but with consistent efforts and dedication, it will come one day. And one last thing before I share this agreement with you. You need to understand this. This agreement is with yourself, by you. No one will ask you about it. You have to accept the responsibility and you have to accept this thing. You are the only one who is responsible for your life and no one else. So you have to take full responsibility. If you are ready, then make this agreement right now with yourself. Pause this video, grab a pen and paper and start writing with me. It's called Personal Success Agreement. Here's how to write it down. Start with the heading Personal Success Agreement. Next, write down the date. This way, when the change happens and you look back at this note, you can say, yes, I did it. Now write 3 simple commitments you are making to yourself. And it begins like this. I promise to follow these 3 rules for my success. And the first rule is responsibility. I will take full responsibility of my actions and results in my life. I won't blame others or make excuses. In very simple words, it means if you want to wake up early, no one can help you to do that. You have to take responsibility and make it happen yourself. Let's take another example. If you want to improve your coding skills, no one will practice for you. You have to take the initiative, write code every day and solve problems on your own. And the second point in this agreement is consistent effort toward your goals. I will set clear goals and take small steps every day to reach them. Success comes from steady, consistent effort. Of course, you need to have at least one meaningful goal. For example, if you are learning C#, your goal could be, I will build one complete C# project over the next 6 months to master the language and strengthen my skills. And if you are looking for a job, your goal could be like this. I will apply to at least 5 jobs every week, improve my resume and sharpen my skills to land a job within the next 3 months. And the final point in this agreement is honesty. Honesty with yourself, honesty with your commitments. I will always be truthful, act with honesty and keep a positive attitude, even when times are tough. And once you have written these commitments, sign it. It's very important. Read your agreement first thing in the morning to remind yourself of your commitments and start the day with focus and clarity. Trust me, if you do this for a few months, you will feel the difference. Many people believe motivation is the key, but if you ask me, motivation is not the key for long-term success. What truly matters is discipline and consistency. Motivation might help you at start, but it's discipline and steady efforts that will lead you to success. Now I encourage you to take this agreement with yourself and get ready to see a big change in your life. Make 2025 your best year yet. And if you are on my email list, I have already sent you a link to download the Personal Success Agreement. If you are not on the list yet and would like to download it, simply subscribe to my email list and you will get access right away. And in the next few weeks, I'm going to share a few videos designed to help you to become a better programmer and build the habits that lead to long-term success. I will also share my own experience in an informative and practical way, so you can learn from the challenge I have faced, also how I overcome these. Whether you are just starting or already on your journey, I am here to guide you and help you to become the best version of yourself, not just as a programmer, but in every aspect of your life. Remember this, success is not always a straight path. You will have ups and downs, and some days will feel harder than others. So start now, take the step, and trust the process. Every small progress every day will add up to something bigger than you can imagine.